Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, Getachew Rida, a spokesman for the TPLF, told that its forces would keep advancing towards the capital Addis Ababa unless the government lifted in blockade of the Tigray region. The former Nigerian president, who is in Ethiopia trying to negotiate an end to the war, has joined that his attempts at mediation are unwelcome. Mr. Obasanjo, the African Union appointed envoy, has met the head of the Tigray People Liberation Front, Desson Gabriel Michael. So, how do the opposing forces feel about the special envoy visit to mediate in Mekelle? Getachew Rida spoke to Bola Mosru. And viewers, as per reports, heavy fighting is going on in Athi between Shawarov and Kemse. There is also a heavy fighting going on in Faiz side of Debre Birhan. The two directions are going on in the important city of Debre Birhan around 130 km. On the other hand, Ethiopia's chance to end conflict is little. Feltman returns to Addis Ababa to urge dialogue, and the United Nations warns of dire repercussions of the Ethiopia crisis. The African Union and the United States have said there is little chance of an end to the fight in Ethiopia. While the United Nations has warned that the risk of Ethiopia plunging into full-scale civil war is very real. The African Union envoy for the Horn of Africa, former Nigerian president and the United Nations political coordinator, briefed the United Nations Security Council. Obasanjo said that by the end of the week, we hope to have a program that shows how they can allow humanitarian access and a troop withdrawal that satisfies all parties. The United Nations estimates that 400,000 people in Tigray region of northern Ethiopia are living in famine-like conditions after a year of war. All these leaders here in Addis Ababa and in the north individually agree that their differences are political and require a political solution through dialogue. Obasanjo told that the 15-member Security Council, but Obasanjo stressed that the chance we have is slim and the time is short. On Monday, the United States Department also said that Washington believes there is a small window for working with the African Union to make progress in ending the conflict. With the return of United States envoy for the Horn of Africa, Jeffrey Feltman, to Addis Ababa. On Monday, the African Union held a closed meeting to discuss the crisis. So here this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.